all, do you have yellow or discolored teeth? Wherever you go, whoever you meet, teeth are the first thing people noticed about you. Who doesn't want to have that beautiful white smile and the sparkling teeth? Many people use tooth whitening products without being aware of the risks it may cause to your teeth. So guys, good news is that I have a natural method that you can try at home with the most natural ingredients that can make your teeth look white naturally and see the visible results instantly. Just be beautiful. Here's what you need. Several teaspoons of baking soda, enough lemon juice or water to form a paste, and a toothbrush. Here's how you do it. Mix several teaspoons of baking soda with enough fresh lemon juice to make a paste. Wipe your teeth with a paper towel, put a good amount of paste onto your toothbrush and apply. Then leave the paste on for 1 minute, then rinse so as to avoid the acid affecting enamel. Sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, will remove the stains on your teeth when you gently scrub or brush your teeth, which will make your teeth a shade whiter and shinier. I recommend you do this at least once a week and check out the difference in your teeth. So guys, the sexiest curve in your body is your smile, and I'm sure that with this tip you will smile even more. So keep it on always. I would love to hear from you guys. Do keep writing it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until we meet next, be beautiful.